think therefore I am, no matter what they say. This may be just a dream, this may be just deceit, but why can't they see that it's still me in doubt or deceit? I see, I hear, I smell, I touch, I feel the spell. This may be just as real, this may be just as near, but why can't they see that it's still me who signs for the dream? And coats I see, I think, and that's the key. Amen there underneath my fleeting images. I see them with my mind, not with my treacherous eye. They may seem just as real, they may seem just as here, but why can't they see that it's still me I clearest perceive?